To use the profit and loss report in Chaos Control Cloud, we first have to select it from within the Accounts screen. The top of the screen will show the accounting year for which the report's been generated. We can see the P&L nominals down the left-hand side of the grid, and then the monthly figures moving along towards the totals at the end. The data that's displayed can be controlled using the Filters button. Firstly, we can select whether we want to show only open transactions or both open and closed transactions. Then we can decide how we want the accounting periods to be displayed. The options are months, quarters, or years. We can also change the financial year that we want to view, and we can filter the grid by any nominal classifications that we may have set up. Finally, we can choose to display the nominal codes as well as the nominal descriptions. And here are our nominal codes. Thanks for watching.